What's going on, y'all? We doing a ribeye and a pork steak, y'all, teriyaki style. Because you know my wife don't like steak, so she had to have that pork steak. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So this is the teriyaki that we're gonna use today, and we're just gonna pour about a cup into a pan. And then we're gonna get our pork steak in, making sure that we coat both sides right quick. And then we're gonna get our ribeye in. Flipping it also. Now I went on and poured some more right over the top just to bring it up a little bit. But actually what you can do is just flip it every hour or so in this 3-hour process of marinating. Now we're gonna get this on the grill, and we're using the gas grill today. So I wanted a little bit of smoke, so I'm using these pecan shells. And we're gonna wrap that up right here in this aluminum foil. Now you don't have to wrap this extra tight or anything like that. Just wrap it up. And once you got those pecan shells covered, we're gonna take our fork and poke a couple of holes into it. And after our steak and pork steak has marinated for 3 hours, we're gonna get it out of there and just let it rest on this cooling rack for about 30 minutes. Once it rests, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with that salt. Get our package on our grill, right up under that flame. Hit our grill grate with a little cooking spray. And then of course, getting our temperature probe in our steak. Now you want to go down the middle. Try not to be, off center as much as you can. And then we're going to get our steak on that grill. Now after about 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and give it a flip. Now if you look around the internet, there's a little controversy. Should you flip your steak more than once, or should you just flip it every few minutes? Now me, I flip it more than once when it's on the grill, but when I'm in that cast iron, I usually go for a harder seal and just flip it once. It's all a matter of preference, y'all. It's all a matter of preference. But anyway, once we reach that magic temp of 135 for my steak, it's time for it to come out, and our pork steak is done too, y'all. And take a look at that steak right there, y'all. Oh my goodness. That's a good beefy thick boy right there. Good beefy thick boy. Look all buttery and good. See, that's what I be talking about. That 135, that medium rare. That's my style, y'all. But look at that. And I'm finna take this bite. And I can't wait, because I'm salivating right now. And it was so tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.